It's yearning. It is the final day. That was yesterday, sadly, but actually it's not the final day. It'll never be the final sabbatical day. Hubba Hubba Punks, it's Seattle Sabbatical Memorial Time.
Okay. It's
And the only time you've ever seen Ozzy's Solo Man and Black Sabbath in the same gig. That's right. Somebody's out of tune. That bass player is off the fucking mark. God, really? Fucking geezer's gonna mop the floor with you. Nah, no, Ozzy, I know. Ozzy's on fucking point. They're out of tune. Somebody is. It's gotta be the bass player. Can't tell Zach's pig squeals. No, you got it, Ozzy. They don't. I don't know why. I guess because they never really played this song together, probably. In fact, this lineup probably never actually existed before.